Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating a fresh Google Sheet and naming it for the planner you need. Next, add essential columns like date, task, priority, status, and notes so data is structured. Once done, freeze the header row to keep context while scrolling, and set data validation lists for status and priority so entries stay consistent. Also configure column widths and wrap text. These first steps let you enter tasks quickly and avoid messy formatting later, which saves time. Now you automate and style to make the planner actionable. Apply conditional formatting so high priority and overdue tasks highlight automatically. This guides your attention. Then add formulas. Use equals today for dynamic references and simple subtraction for days remaining. Insert drop-downs for consistent status entries and a checkbox column for completion tracking. You should also add custom number and date formats to keep everything readable. These middle steps reduce manual updates and let you scan the sheet efficiently. Finish by building a dashboard sheet that summarizes tasks using a pivot table or a query formula, so you can view priorities and overdue counts at a glance. Protect header rows and formula ranges to prevent accidental edits, and set sharing permissions for collaborators with view or comment access. If something goes wrong, check your ranges, ensure your formulas use the correct punctuation and regional separators, and confirm data validation lists match entries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.